hewn. To hew, hewn or hewed is to cut with an axe. कुल्हाड़े के साथ किसी चीज को काटना is to hew. Now, notice the spelling of the word axe here. AX and AXE are different spellings of the same word. There is no difference in meaning or pronunciation here. Anyway, coming back onto the meaning of the word hew. To hew is कुल्हाड़े के साथ, छेनी के साथ या किसी औजार के साथ किसी चीज को काटना. For example, he hewed down the giant peepal tree. So उसने कुल्हाड़े के साथ पीपल के पेड़ को काट दिया. We also use the word hewn जब किसी हार्ड मटेरियल को छेनी के साथ या किसी औजार के साथ काट कर शेप दी जाए. For example, this is hewn by a master out of the rosewood. Hopefully, you're getting the meaning here. Let's watch a clipping now.
Built deep within the mountain itself, the beauty of this fortress city was legend. Its wealth lay in the earth, in precious gems hewn from rock, and in great seams of gold, running like rivers through stone.
Built deep within the mountain itself, the beauty of this fortress city was legend. Its wealth lay in earth, in precious gems hewn from the rock, and in great seams of gold, running like rivers through stone. Precious stones hewn from the rock. So छेनी के साथ, chisel के साथ मार मार कर निकाले गए, hewn from the rock. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Another usage, the statues were hewn out of the solid rock. So statues को solid rock में से काट कर, तराश कर बनाया गया है. So hewn can be used in two different ways. Number one, किसी चीज को काट कर निकालना as in hewn from the rock. Number two, किसी चीज को तराश कर बनाना as in the statues were hewn from the rock. Hopefully we are getting this.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.